Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back again with another video here. So today I'm going to provide the solution of this question. Bill's Grill is a popular college restaurant that is famous for its hamburgers. The owner of the restaurant, Bill, mixes fresh ground beef and pork with the secret ingredients to make delicious quarter-pound hamburgers that are advertised as having no more than 25% fat. So in this question, this paragraph has the constraints and it is divided into three parts. First one is to formulate the LP model of this problem. And then they have provided the hint as well in this part. The decision variables for this problem represent the percentage of beef and the percentage of pork to combine. So, and then the part B sketch the feasible reason, and then C part is determine the optimal solution. So I already have provided the solution in Excel file. Let me share you the solution. So this one is the Excel file, which is part A. So X1 and X2 are two variables. X1 represents the proportion of beef in the mix and X2 represents proportion of pork in the mix. Then we have our aim is to minimize it. So 0.85 X1 and 0.65 X2. And this one is our formulation part. Then part B and part C is our graphical representation. So this one is the graph that I created using Excel. And these are the table that I extracted from these values. So to get this file, you can just reach me out over my WhatsApp and email address, which I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. And thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.